How to block someone on Discord.
Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Discord application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then you will see the Your Friends option. Tap on that and further tap on the friend whom you want to block. Once you've opened their profile, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the block option in the menu that appears. Tap on that and in the confirmation that appears, tap on block again. And with this, that particular individual will be blocked.
So, this is how you can block someone on Discord.
If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.